Good day, dear students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, Chromosomal Basis of Inheritance. And in this module, we would be discussing about the introduction for the same. Now, as you can see here, there is a lot of similarity that exists between parent and its offspring, like the eye color, the hair color, the facial features which are there. Does it ever occur to you that why does such a thing is happening? The reason for the same is heredity. Now, what is heredity? Heredity is defined as the inheritance of characters from one generation to the next generation. If you can see here, the mouth areas of mother, the nose areas of father are inherited together in the next generation. Despite the heredity being present, both the generations are not lookalikes of each other. The reason for the same is variation. Now, what is variation? Variation is the differences that exist between parents and their offspring along with their siblings. Now, these areas are studied under one major area of study, and that is called as genetics. Now, what is genetics? Genetics is a scientific study of mechanisms of heredity and causes of variation. If you can recollect, Gregor Johann Mendel, also known as the father of genetics, has established the fundamental principles of genetics. Now, we are surrounded by bacteria. There are so many animals that are present next to us. There are so many plants that are growing. Now, all these are grouped under one category as living organism. Despite the differences that are present amongst them, they are fundamentally similar at one point, that all of them are made up of cell. These cells can be distinctly categorized into two groups, namely the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. Now, what is a prokaryotic cell? A cell with a primitive nucleus. An eukaryotic cell is a cell with a well-defined nucleus. So, prokaryotic cell does not contain a nucleus, but they contain what is called as a nucleoid. Along with that, they also contain an extra chromosomal genetic material that is also known as plasmid. So, my dear students, in this module, we have discussed about introduction. In the next module, we will be discussing about the chromosomal theory of inheritance.